My name is Laura Pereira, and I'm an associate professor at the Global Change Institute at the University of the Witwatersrand in Johannesburg, South Africa, and also a researcher at the Stockholm Resilience Center in Sweden. And I am part of the Solving FCB Partnership Grant that is looking at trying to reconcile food, climate, and biodiversity nexus challenges, as well as come up with potential solutions to these challenges using a variety of different case studies around the world. And so right now I am here at the University of Lagos for our first co-creation workshop with a group of diverse stakeholders to discuss some of the challenges that are facing the Gulf of Guinea, particularly focusing on illegal unreported fishing, as well as plastic pollution.
Be mine. Without you on mine.
What we hope to achieve by 2028, God willing, is that we have identified the challenges, we have established the desirable future scenarios that we want to see, and then we have started working towards it.
Live an easy ride. You feel so right.
So we are answering this question focused on IUU to co-create the challenges at the IUU fishing in Nigeria's coastal and marine ecosystems. That's what we want to do here. And the reason why we have ensured the diversity of stakeholders in this group is that we want to have a mix of different thoughts on this. Yes, so the floor is now open.
Intersectoral, interdisciplinary collaboration. Yes, we have collaborations among all the agencies in the fight against IUU, but there's need to have an harmonized MOU, a kind of MOU, a harmonized standard of operation that will define the role of each of these agencies in the fight against IUU. Thank you very much.
Several research have confirmed the presence of nanoplastic in the bloodstream of human, which we have picked from the environment. And plastic are not biodegradable.
I think one very key aspect of what we do in this part of the world and what is critically lacking is data. Data is key. We come with a lot of qualitative inputs. We speak a lot of big English, but when we come to aspects of creating models to forecast, predictive models that can give us insights into what the future will bring to us, it's difficult for us because we lack critical data sets.
Thank God the Ministry of Marine and Blue Economy is here. Let's see how we can enhance collaboration and cooperation among different stakeholders.
I'm happy that this workshop is taking place and that the gathering of the people we have here are people who can contribute one way or the other to ensure that we make a huge success out of this, this work.
It's important for us all to work together to ensure that we mitigate and then we also adapt, because knowing our current situations can also help us to build resilience, especially of the most vulnerable people and ecosystems, which the coastal and marine ecosystem fall into. But we've heard you and we will continue to engage you, and then we want to have more feedback. So thank you very much, FDF. I mean, great interacting with you and very nice.
The whole idea is that plastic pollution is a major problem now, and there is a need for us to have a collaborative effort with all stakeholders coming together in order to solve the problem.
It has been a very interesting and eye-opening intervention, and I want to thank Dr. Temitope Shogbamu for this initiative, and we hope that we will leverage on the discussions and the concrete interventions that we come up with here to move this project to the next phase.
I'm happy to be here, happy to contribute, be a part of this, and I'm looking forward to the reports that will come out of this. I'm looking forward to the change, positive change that will come out of it in terms of conserving our coastal waters and having our laws implemented.